Hi, in this series of videos I'm going to be showing you how to make the full English breakfast. I have the sausages and I'm going to place it onto a dish that can go into the oven. Place the sausages into a preheated oven and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. The sausages are now ready. I'm going to be serving them alongside the other menu for the English breakfast. I'm going to fry the egg in a frying pan. Add a little bit of butter or veg oil or a spray of oil onto your frying pan. Not too much, just to baste the pan. Break the eggs and pour into the frying pan. I've cooked the egg for about 2 minutes on one side, so I'm going to flip over to the other side and cook for about a minute, or as you like. If you want your egg half done, then it's probably ready, but I like my eggs done or fully cooked, so I'm going to leave it to cook for an extra minute. I have some bacon that is already sliced up. Into a frying pan, I'm going to spray some oil. You can use vegetable oil or butter. Not too much, just to coat the base of the pan. Place your bacon slices into the hot oil, one at a time. After about a minute of cooking, flip the bacon onto the other side and cook for about extra minute. You can also prepare your bacon in an oven for about 2 minutes. The bacon is ready, so I'm going to place on a plate, ready to be served alongside the other menu for the English breakfast. Place your frying pan onto the cooker, spray some oil on the pan, enough to coat the base. You can add the mushrooms whole into the pan or slice into two if you prefer. Fry the mushroom for a few minutes and toss about to ensure all the sides are cooked. The mushroom is now ready. You may also steam the mushroom if you prefer. Place it ready to be served alongside the menu for English breakfast. And to make the tomatoes, I've got my frying pan. I'm going to spray some oil into the pan just to coat the base. You can also grill your tomatoes if you prefer, but I'm going to fry mine. So I'm slicing it into two and then place it onto the oil. Flip the tomatoes to the other side and cook for another minute onto a plate, ready to be used during the full English breakfast service. Pour the contents, that's the baked beans, onto a bowl and microwave until piping hot. You can also use a saucepan to heat up the baked beans. To make the toast, I have a sliced bread. I'm going to place it into a toaster, push the toaster down and toast until light brown. The toast is now ready. I'm going to slice into two. Ready to serve alongside the English menu. For the range of drink for the English breakfast, I've got some water, that's fresh water. I have orange juice. You can use any juice of your choice, apple, pineapple, tropical juice, any juice of your choice. For the hot drink, I've got some coffee. To make the coffee, you can just put a spoon into a coffee pot, or you can use a coffee machine. Open it and add some coffee granules. Close it. I have some water in the jug. Lift up the back cabinet and pour in the water. Then place the coffee pot back into the machine and start the coffee machine. To make the hot tea, I have some hot water. I'll pour it into the teapot. I have some PG tips. You can use any tea of your choice. I'm going to add 1 tea bag into the pot and cover to simmer for a minute before serving. You can serve the tea with some milk and sugar, or you can serve it without. I've got the menu all cooked ready for the English breakfast service. I have a buffet of the toast, some butter, the tea, coffee, some yogurt, natural yogurt, sugar, fried egg, some cereal, juice, water, some jam, your fresh fruit, some fresh milk, mushrooms, bacon, tomatoes, sausages, baked beans, and some sauce to finish off the dish. So I'm going to plate my portion carefully onto the plate. I have the egg, add maybe a couple of mushrooms, 1 slice of tomato, 1 branch of bacon, 1 sausage, a scoop of baked beans, and I'll be serving this with the toast and a glass of juice. Enjoy.